Getting around town has become a nightmare for the able-bodied among us, but it pales in comparison to what road diet changes have done to the routines of folks with mobility challenges. We approached a number of professionals from the paratransit industry to log their takes on the situation. One gentleman who picks up everyone from the visually impaired to senior citizens in his wheelchair-accessible cargo van relayed a variety of issues he has with urbanist design. Interestingly, he spent considerable energy detailing the way flex posts of all things complicate his job.
They are a problem. The white poles in certain spots. We have to pull way down, and we have a policy where you got to keep a visual look at the van when you're picking up people while it's running. You can't leave the van around the corner. You got to be able to see your client and the van at the same time.
We also met a woman who enlightened us with her insider knowledge of the relationship between her employer and the cities it operates in.
They are aware that it is not the ideal service that they would like it to be. The DOT is a big part of that. We are a service provider, but how we get around is very determined by local governments. So there's just things like you're saying. There's a disconnect between how people get picked up and where, based on streets and all that. Those decisions are made by local government. The thing is, we advocate for our customers and we have to go to local government hearings and provide testimony.
Let me translate that for anyone who missed it. Transportation providers readily admit the frustrating positions they are put in by radical city agencies. As we surmised, these issues are exponentially worse within the paratransit world. Why government workers cannot see or refuse to see this is a question worth asking at your next council meeting.